Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by opening Google Password Manager directly or via Chrome settings. This is where Google stores passwords you saved. Sign in with the Google account that holds the data and be ready to confirm your identity. Once signed in, you'll see an overview of saved sites. Make sure you have your phone or two-step verification method nearby, because Google often asks for reauthentication before showing sensitive entries. Next, filter and inspect the saved logins to find exactly what you need. Type a site name or domain into the search bar to narrow results quickly. Once you click an entry, Google will prompt you to unlock with your device PIN, fingerprint, or account password before showing the password. As you go, note usernames and whether entries are duplicates. Once unlocked, copy or record credentials into a secure vault rather than a plain text file. Finally, export and secure the list if you need an offline copy. Using export passwords in settings, you'll re-enter your account password to confirm and get a CSV. Immediately import that file into a trusted password manager and then securely delete the CSV. If something goes wrong, like reauthentication failing, make sure your device time is correct, confirm two-step methods, and use account recovery options. Contacting Google support is a
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.